ready yet.
Wait. Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And yes guys, today we are doing a swatch video for OPV Beauty, okay? And I don't know if you guys seen them on Instagram. They are very popular on Instagram. They are black owned and they are from the UK. Guys, I'm gonna try to speak loud because they having like a party right outside my house. But anyway guys, if you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe, smash that bell so you can be notified when your girl uploads, alright? And if you guys are existing already, what up? Love you guys so much. I've been rocking with OPV Beauty for a minute, guys. I did my first giveaway with them as well. Who knows, I might do another one as soon as we get to 3K. I will be doing a giveaway, but we got to get to 3K first. Yeah, the reason why I got both of these palettes was because I've been eyeing them for a minute, and I noticed that I need some new palettes. Like, fall is about to come, summer is basically over, and I just got this palette. But you can never too late to get a colorful palette, you know what I mean? Let me know if you guys have noticed that a lot of these beauty companies are now coming out with colorful palettes, like Crayon Case, okay, OPV Beauty, Colored Rain. Like they have been doing a thing, and it's just so hard to choose. But me, I went with OPV Beauty. They are a little bit on the expensive side, guys, but it's so worth it. So I'm gonna start off with the, you know what, I'm gonna start off with the colorful one first. So this one is the Rainbow Splash palette from OPV Beauty. With the ingredients on the back. And so I love that it comes in a mirror. Okay, it comes in a mirror, and I love that because a lot of palettes lately do not come with mirrors, and that shit is annoying. But as you guys can see, just look how pretty this is. Just look how pretty this is. Like, this is perfect because it has like almost every color. They have some mattes in there, some shimmers in there, some metallics in there. Love it, guys. And they all are named, so I love that. Like, it looks like they all are named after, like, I don't know how to explain it, but like Eclipse, Chimera, Dream, Fantasy, Spectrum, Utopia, Storm, Atlantis, you know, stuff like that. Love this palette so much, guys. I just love it. Like, I feel like it's perfect. Today I did use this palette on my eyes, okay? I used Eclipse for the pink, which is right here, for the pink that you see at the top. I used the black, which is Spring and Frosty, these two as well. And then for the green, I used this green here, which is Phantom. Okay, and then I used a white liner from NYX to create the line. Okay, it's supposed to be a halo eye, guys. Please don't come at me. I'm still trying to get the whole halo thing going on. And if you guys didn't check my video out, honestly, I don't know what I am. I think I'm like a bull. Okay, this is like my bull hairstyle. I love it because it's like edgy, kinda. And yeah, I'm just loving my braids, y'all. Definitely check out my video where I talk about my natural hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready with the swatches. So this rainbow palette basically, guys, is perfect for, you know, your creative looks that you want to do on Instagram, or your just creative bright colored looks. Like me, I'm a risk taker. I love to do bright colors with my makeup and stuff like that, and I decided to use that palette today because I just thought it was cute. I wanted to see, you know, how vibrant it was, and I love that they're not patchy or anything. So this one is definitely for my colorful people who love a little color all the time, or a little color now and then. This would be perfect for you guys. Oshun palette. I don't know if you guys seen this palette before, but basically Oshun is a goddess, and I forgot what she represents, but she is like a, I believe, an African goddess. And this one doesn't have a mirror, but this one is full of neutral colors, perfect with the fall, spring, any type of look you're going for. This will be perfect, as you guys can see. And I love that they all have names. Okay, all have names. Very, very pretty, very pretty. And yeah, I'm about to swatch all of them for you guys. Just look, like, just take it all in, guys. So pretty. Like, I love these so much. I just can't wait to like play with this one. Are like good sizes. This one does come with 12 eyeshadows. The rainbow splash palette comes with 20 eyeshadows. Okay,
calling all your friends when they come through. So you really your number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let my come in on me yard, them I give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them I tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right.
hey guys, that was the Oshun palette. I hope you guys enjoyed those swatches. I'm not the swatch queen, so don't come at me. But honestly, I feel like both palettes are must-haves. Like, if you like makeup, you should have both of those palettes. Like, the Oshun palette is perfect for glam looks. It's beautiful neutral colors, it's golds, it's coppers. It's very, very pretty. Like I said, for the fall is coming up, I will be doing some looks with those. So yeah guys, which one was your favorite? My favorite is both, honestly. Guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I love you all. Let me know which one is your favorite palette, which one you would use. And yeah guys, don't forget to love yourself first and keep it glamming. GlamNefercent signing out. Mwah. Don't forget to love yourself first and keep it glamming. GlamNefercent signing out. Love you guys. Mwah.
My head used to stay in the clouds till mama said go and figure it out. Got a degree, but that wasn't enough. Bitch, count your blessings, please don't count my bluff, 'cause I know